Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a great summer. My name is Ms. Malin and I will be your teacher for either advanced reading or English 3 honors. And if we haven't met yet, I'm really looking forward to meeting you. Right now I'm going to give you a real quick overview of what to expect when we get back into the classroom. Okay, so you can find me in room 209. A couple of real quick things about me. This year especially, we're going to place an extra special emphasis on safety because it's really important, especially in light of COVID, and also respect for all, which includes being present when we're in the classroom and focused in on what we are doing. This is my second full year at Plant, and I'm the La Sartoga Club sponsor, so that's a community service club. I also have a master's degree in educational leadership and one in ESOL, so I have a really good understanding of how people connect with words and connect to literature. So I look forward to sharing some tips and tricks with you. Let's talk advanced reading. So advanced reading is a 9th grade reading class, and the materials for the class are loose leaf paper, pens, pencils, highlighters. You're going to need 3 colors because we're going to be doing a lot of annotating. And we need 2 sections in a binder. One is for bell work, one is for notes and handouts. You will label both of these sections. You can have your own binder for this class, or you can share with another class. Either way is fine, as long as you have what you need. On the left-hand side, you'll see how to reach me, either through email, through Canvas, or through Remind 101, which we'll talk about at a later time. So, what is advanced reading and why are you here? And the long and the short of it is that all freshmen at Plant take a reading class, everyone. And if you're in advanced reading, it means that you're more or less where you're supposed to be, on grade level, which is good. But we're going to challenge you to do just a little bit more to sharpen your skills so that your reading is even better. So what we're going to do is give you those little tips and tricks to make you a stronger reader and a more efficient test taker. So this should help when you take the FSA or AP classes in the future, and even the SAT and ACT. The point is to move your skills from wherever you are and just get them to be a little bit better. So here's how we do that. During quarter 1, we're gonna look at reading in 3 different ways. We're gonna do a novel. Most likely, The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian by Sherman Alexie. If that changes or anything is different, I'll let you know. We're also going to be reading some nonfiction articles on Achieve 3000 and Common Lit. And we're gonna do a little bit of grammar because we wanna make sure that our writing skills are where they're supposed to be at an advanced honors high school level. And reading and writing are connected, so they go together. Now, we're going to switch gears real quick. English 3. So the materials for English 3 are quite similar to that of advanced reading. We're going to need a binder, but with 3 sections, one labeled for springboard, one labeled for bell work, and one labeled for notes and handouts. And these are the materials that you're going to need for class. Loose leaf paper, pens, pencils, highlighters. Again, 3 colors. You're going to need them to differentiate and to be able to annotate efficiently. And you're going to get a binder solely for this class, okay? English is a little bit more intense than reading. You're going to need your own for this particular class. English 3 is all about the American dream, what it means to achieve what you set out to achieve when you come here, or what it just means to be an American and get what you want. So we're going to read a whole bunch of articles about the American dream, and we're going to take a look at, and we're going to not take a look, but we're going to read carefully a couple of novels. So here are the possibilities. Whoops, sorry about that. Here are the possibilities, and I'll get back to you soon on what we're actually going to read. Okay? And the other thing to know for this class is that this is a writing intensive class. Junior year, it's a lot of writing. We're going to push our writing to the next level. We're going to look at patterns and rhetorical effects, argumentative strategies, of language. And we're going to look and write with richness and complexity to communicate effectively with mature readers, which basically means we're going to take our skill set and make them even sharper and stronger. Because as you move towards graduation, we want to be able to get those skills ready for college or whatever you're planning on doing afterwards. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to address them. See you soon.